Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt CS Bell number 10 Hammermill. This unit has been brought into the shop completely rebuilt. The unit is ready to go to work. The rotor has been balanced. The unit has all new knives. It is in great shape. It's on this nice heavy-duty caster stand, just like the factory built them years ago. This unit is equipped with a ball door, 2 horsepower, 208, 230, 460 volt 3-phase motor. And this unit has been upgraded with a WEG VFD that is single phase or 3-phase. This unit allows you to infinitely adjust the speed of the unit for certain applications like hulling. We're going to fire the drive up now. See, the drive starts right up, comes right to life. We're going to fire it up, hitting the green start button. Unit fires right up. Like I said, we can infinitely tailor the speed just by pushing the down button on this, or we can speed it right back up. Unit is set at its maximum parameter, 3,800 RPM. As I said, this is a good, well-balanced unit. This is unit AB, unit AB. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.